and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to decorate a square chocolate cake. I hope you enjoy watching. If you do, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I started out by placing a 10-inch board on top just to give it the frame it needed from the top to the bottom. So this is a 10-inch square cake. And I just put the frame on top just so that when I'm piping the buttercream and scraping it, the square shape that the frame provides helps to assist in ensuring I scrape the sides smoothly. Once I piped it on, I then used my spatula to smoothen it out, making it easier to realize where the gaps were and fill again, and also scrape and continue the whole process. What I was careful to do was when I was scraping each side, I ensured that I didn't go round the corners because I was trying to get the sharp sides. And it consisted of me filling, as you can see there, and scraping and just ensuring that I don't make the corners rounded, and stopping just before I get to the end. This part requires a lot of patience and a lot of repetitive action. So going back, filling, scraping, checking, filling. Yeah, so it just requires a lot of that just so that you can get it to your liking and ensuring that it's the right square shape that you're looking for. What you see here is me taking off the top 10-inch cake board, which was on top of it. What I did to ensure it stayed was I applied some buttercream and put the cake board on top. Then now you see me, I have taken it off and I'm reapplying buttercream into all the gaps on the top just to make sure that it's smooth. After a period of scraping back and forth and ensuring that it's smooth, I then put it in the fridge freezer to set so that I could scrape again some more to ensure that the edges are in good condition. And here I am applying the drip and just covering the actual process of dripping. So apologies for that, but I do have a video that I will include in the link below to show you how to do this drip method with the piping bag. It's quite straightforward. I then went ahead to create the borders, piping shells, and I used the piping tip 4B. I did that along the bottom and I also did it along the top as well. And it's quite a forward process. You squeeze and pull away, squeeze, kind of like lift it up a bit and pull away. Another trick is to ensure that the buttercream is the right consistency, and this will allow you to pack the borders with ease. So once done, I put it in the fridge freezer to firm up, and I started again with the top border shells for the piping tip. I wanted to show my cake writing skills with chocolate, but for some reason my camera forgot to film. It just wasn't filming when I was doing it. But this is my attempt at writing on a cake, and what I'm doing in these corners is I'm just laying a base of buttercream to place my fruit on so that the fruits stay firm and in position. You gotta put some strawberries, some kiwis, and some blueberries. Voila, and that's it. I then added some gold leaf just to add some extra cool and sparkle to the cake. And there you go. I hope you like it.